Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Time for another budget recipe, and this time it's potato skins. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making potato skins. Now, if you've been following along, I made baked potatoes, then I made some mashed potatoes. So I'm sticking with the potato theme. We're going to do potato skins. Once again, just a way to use up your leftovers. Like I said in a previous video, if you have a cookout and have a bunch of baked potatoes left over, well, you can make mashed potatoes out of them, potato skins out of them. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I already got my potato skins hollowed out. And I'm going to be using some Hormel chili. It's with beans and it's the chunky kind. Some mashed potatoes and some egg salad. That showed you how to make it in a previous video. I know, people are going, that's gross, egg salad and baked potato. Just think of egg salad and a potato roll without all the extra ingredients in the potato roll. Let's go ahead, take a couple of these. I'm going to put some chili in them. Now I already heated up the chili ahead of time. Now you can use any kind of chili you want, that's up to you. Beans, no beans, chunky, not chunky. Now this little guy, you see how that's torn? Okay, we're going to put him to the side. Grab another one. Add some chili. Now I have a couple torn ones. There's another one. So you know that chili's just going to fall out. So what we're going to do is stick the mashed potatoes in there. I got Blue Dog watching now. We'll probably get some mashed potatoes in. Another one that's tore, and another one that's about to tear. Grab a couple more. Now we're going to do a couple with egg salad. Now you can also use tuna salad if you want to. I just happen to have egg salad. Now I do have a budget recipe playlist. I'll go ahead and put that link down below. That way, I know there's a tuna wrap recipe where I show how to make tuna salad, and I got an egg salad recipe and a no peel baked potato recipe. Now I'm just going with the Mexican cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want, really. Now this is a real cheap snack meal. It's basically leftovers. You add can of chili, some cheese. If you don't want cheese on it, don't add cheese to it. Now I have my toaster oven on broil. It's preheated. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead, put these in the toaster oven till the cheese melts. Okay, there's the final product. You can add more cheese, less cheese, keep it under there a little bit longer to get it brown. It's all up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my dinner here. And if you're wondering what I'm going to do with the leftovers, I got 4 more skins left, so I'll probably just put chili and cheese in those. And I have leftover chili and mashed potatoes. But that's for another video. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.